Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the 1-cent coin from the year 1867. This coin comes from a very important period in American history. The year 1867 was just after the Civil War. The nation was rebuilding and entering a new phase known as Reconstruction. The 1-cent coin from this era is known as the Indian head cent. It is one of the most historic and admired coins among collectors. On the front of the coin, you will see the image, often called Liberty, wearing a Native American headdress. This design is unique and very different from modern coins. It reflects the artistic style of the 19th century. The word Liberty appears on the headband, along with the year 1867. This simple design carries deep historical meaning. The back of the coin features a wreath design. Inside the wreath, you will see the words 1 cent. This classic design represents unity and strength. Coins from 1867 were made during a time of national healing. The country was recovering from war and working toward economic growth. This small coin was part of everyday trade during that rebuilding period. Collectors highly respect the 1867 Indian head cent because it is more than 150 years old. Holding this coin feels like touching real history. The value of the coin depends strongly on its condition. If the details of the headdress and wreath are clear, the coin becomes more desirable to collectors. Coins that are heavily worn, scratched, or damaged usually carry lower value. Proper care and storage are very important for old coins like this. This coin was made primarily of copper. Over time, copper develops a natural brown tone. Some coins may show beautiful aging colors. It is very important not to clean such an old coin. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce collector interest. Natural condition is always preferred. The 1867 1-cent coin represents resilience and recovery. It reminds us of a nation rebuilding after conflict. It is a symbol of endurance and progress. Many serious collectors enjoy collecting Indian head cents. They try to complete sets from different years. Each year tells a different chapter of American history. If you own an 1867 1-cent coin, store it carefully in a dry and safe place. Use proper coin holders to protect it from moisture and scratches. A well-preserved coin can last for many more generations. Its story continues through every collector who values it. Coin collecting is not only about value. It is about understanding history through small objects. Even a simple 1-cent coin can hold powerful meaning. If you enjoy learning about rare and historic coins, this channel is made for you. Here we explore valuable coins and their stories. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you have an 1867 Indian head cent in your collection? The next coin. This coin is known as the Indian head cent. It is one of the most historic and beautiful coins in United States coin history. The year 1898 comes from the late 19th century. America was growing rapidly during this time. Industry, transportation, and cities were expanding. The 1-cent coin from this year was part of everyday life. It was used in market shops and small businesses. Even though it had small value, it played an important role in daily trade. On the front of the coin, you will see the image of Liberty wearing a Native American-style headdress. Many people call it the Indian head design. This design is detailed, artistic, and very different from modern coins. The word Liberty appears on the headband, and the year 1898 is clearly shown below. This simple design carries strong historical character. On the back of the coin, you will see a wreath surrounding the words 1 cent. The wreath represents unity, honor, and strength. The design is classic and elegant. Coins from 1898 were made mainly of copper. Over time, copper develops a natural brown color. Some coins may show beautiful tones from aging. Collectors around the world admire the 1898 Indian head cent because it is more than 100 years old. Holding this coin feels like holding a piece of the past. The value of this coin depends mostly on its condition. If the details of the headdress, feathers, and wreath are sharp and clear, collectors show more interest. Coins that are heavily worn, scratched, or damaged usually carry lower value. Proper storage is very important for preserving old coins. Never clean an old coin harshly. Cleaning can remove the natural surface and reduce collector value. Collectors prefer coins in original condition. The 1898 1-cent coin represents a time of growth and progress. It reminds us of a period when America was becoming stronger economically. Many collectors enjoy building a complete set of Indian head cents. Each year adds another chapter to the collection. The 1898 coin is an important part of that story. Coin collecting is not only about money. It is about learning history and appreciating craftsmanship. Even a small copper coin can carry a powerful story. If you own an 1898 1-cent coin, keep it in a dry and safe place. Use coin holders or albums to protect it from moisture and scratches. A well-preserved coin can last for generations. Its beauty and history continue through time. If you enjoy discovering old American coins, this channel is made for you. Here we explore rare coins history and collecting knowledge. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you have an 1898 Indian head cent in your collection? Thank you for watching.